Hello guys, today we're on a journey to open the newest Duelist Nexus booster box. Let's see what we can get. This set has the new Quasar Dragon, which is a card that I truly want to put on the U3 decks. So we're gonna start one of each side and see what we can get by separating them left and right. I don't know why, I'm just gonna do it. Pack number one. Let's see, I think the secret rare is in the middle, the rare slot. We got the new Unsane Salt cards. We got Gaia Blaze, the Force of the Sun, which is beautiful. We got an ultra rare Demigod of the Tistana. That's a nice one. A new Super Heavy Samurai support. Mikanko, Stardust Worm, Aqua Chorus Round. That was a nice one. We got an ultra rare right from the bat. Let's see. I think it's 3 from the back. Let's do it Pokemon style. We got Valence Wave, Daidarabochi, Magic Deity, Emergency, Synchro Overtop, Nelmeira, Gaia Blaze again, Thestalos. Okay, we got a super rare Thestalos, the Shadowfire Monarch, and Purely Surly. Okay, it's 4 from the back, just like in Pokemon. We got 2 hits already, 2 packs 2 hits, 1 ultra rare and 1 super rare. Did I? That's left and right. Let's go right again. I think I almost missed it. I did the right one. Yeah. 4 from the back. Let's see. We got Storagepod. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Trifortresops and or Stegosaur and 1 or Machine Dinosaur Monster. Okay, that's a nice one. Altergeist, Purely Surly. We got Finisterre, Tower of Necroworld. That's also a nice one. It's a beautiful card. Over Exaggeration, Double-Headed Dino King Rex. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Realm Resonance, Jurassic Power, and a super rare Altergeist Penetrator. Let's go left side. I wonder if we can get anything from the Starlet rares. Quarter century rares, actually. Let's see, Finest Rare again. Breath of the Tistana, Continuing Epic Charles, New World Stars, Behemoth, the King of 100 Battles, Greed Jar, Excavate and number, send monsters from your extra deck together. Okay. Unchained Soul, Will Synchron, and Banishing Trap Hole. Super rare. That goes there. Let's go right side again. We got Diabolica, Small Cuffle, Sangs of the Tistana, Greed Jar again, Animal Candle, the Cuckoo Commander, Veda Kalada. Oh, that's nice. The artworks get more anime by the years. And we got a Mighty Dino King Rex. I really love these artworks. I don't know, since all times, Yu-Gi-Oh! Has always intrigued my interest with the artworks. We have Dark Magician, we have Blue Eyes. Every one of these monsters and archetypes have so many beautiful cards. We got Scrap Iron, Sacred Statue, Storagepod again. Let me gather these. On the other side, Master Phase, Zutomosaurus. It reminds me... Wait, is it a remake of the old card? I will put it on the screen, just in case. So I can remind you. Click and Echo, Synchro Overtop, Synchro Vault, Realm Resonance, and a Gazelle, the King of Mythical Claws. Another remake of an original beautiful card used by Yugi. You can now play a... Was it? I think was it from here? Yeah, screw the right and left side, I can't remember. Let's see. We got Signs of the Tistana, Master Phase again, Diabolica, continuing, Over Exaggeration, Keck Commander, Rescue Ace Preventer, Crenosaurus Giga Cannon. Wait! They made it open his mouth and attack? Okay, that's a really nice one. And we got Ultimate Bright Knight Ursatron Alpha. Super rare. That's a nice one. Let me gather all the commons from here to here. And let's keep going. I wonder if we can get that Quasar card. Okay, another Zutomosaurus, Aqua Chorus Round, Nelmeria Love, Diabolica, Click and Echo, Preventer, Evoltile Follies, Jurassic Power, and we got a secret rare. We got a Crimson Dragon. That's our first, I would say, good pull of the day. Because I do love this card. Together with any 5DS card I can see. Look at it. Purely amazing. Let's leave this here. Let's keep going. We got one secret rare together with one ultra and a lot of hollow super rares. So 4 from the back again. This pack feels like it has more cards. Oh, nice. Looks like scrap Stardust Dragon or something because of the balls and, you know, the scraps. Another super heavy, Mikanko, New World Stars, Will Synchron, Veda Kalada, Cornfield. Do you know Kalada is Greek for Christmas singing? Nelmeria and Hound of Tistana. Nice one. Fact of the day. I think I pulled 5 from the back. No, I didn't. Okay. Scrap Iron, Astaru, continuing, Million Century Ice Prison, Elvolzar, Realm, Doomstar, Grenosaurus Giga Cannon again, and we got I'm finished. Roll the credits. Let's keep going. Four from the back. Stardust Worm, Million Century, Daedara, Finis, Volzar Leos, Beta Evolution, Doomstar, and Uxarctic Polar Star. Not amused. Also, we always hear from people that you got 1 out of 2 boxes chances to get a quarter century rare, but we opened like, I don't know, 5 boxes till now and we got no quarter century rare. Maybe the luck is strong in this one. We got Thelematech Clades. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I don't know about the card. Okay, it's also a nice card, but it's a beautiful artwork. Thumbs up for that. Let's keep going. Let's go faster and see what we can get. Other Q-Belt, Daidara, Var Exaggeration, Beta Evolution, Gridjar, Click Echo, and Nultra Emperor Charles the Great. Not bad. Could have been greater. Let's go. New World, Diabolica, New World Stars, Nermeria, Gaia Blaze, Synchro Overtop. I got bored seeing these, and another Ultra, Noble Ars Museum. Okay, we got 2 out of 2 by going fast. Let's see if we go faster. Starts late. Finished Ray, Mekanko, Q-Belt, Ancient Century, Unchained, Realm, Will Synchron, Granosaurus, and we got the Dreaming Reality of Nelmeria realized. Wow. 100 attack for each face down card in your extra deck. Okay. So this actually has, if you got 15, 300 and, no, 3100 attack. If you have all your cards in your extra deck. Okay. You can also put some of them there. But with what? I wonder if you can do something with... Can you? Thinking by myself over here. New World. I said I was going to be fast, but I'm going slower. Sorry for that. And Infernoble Knight Rish. I can't spell it. Next. I think we have like 6 or 5 packs left. From back. Let's go. Small. Zitomasaurus, New World, Volzile, Agnimal, Click and Echo, Doomstar, and Thestalos the Shadow Far again. No Quasar, no Corterer, no Bye Bye Love, Bye Bye Happiness. Okay, that's a nice card. Q-Belt, Breath of Tristana, Magic Yastro, also a nice card. We got Big Wing Performate. That's beautiful. We got the brother. We got both of them. Now we're missing the fusion. Okay. At least we got something to hope for. Let me check. 3, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, probably 6. I try to go faster. Another Demigod of the Tristana, Ultra Rare. Okay, next. Go faster. Let's end this. Let's be fast. It's gonna be here. Wait. That's all? I'm finished? Okay. Next. I'm not gonna do that again. I didn't like it. The universe was telling me I'm finished. Let's do it. Okay, we got another secret rare. Tokusano Shinkyojin, which is a nice one. Small Scuffle. Got... Let me take this off. 3 last packs. No Quasar, no Quarter Rare, no... I think I wanted one more from the set, but doesn't seem to get it. Okay, let's go again from the back. Let's play it safely and see everything that's inside. We got another Magic-Key, Aqua Chorus, Split Mirror, Agnimal, Voltile, Granosaurus, and after the King Reds is Red Dice Black Meteor Dragon, super rare. Also a nice card. 2 last packs. Let's see what we can get. I enjoyed opening Streets of the Battle City more than I do enjoying these packs. Why? because I miss the old cards. I miss the feeling of having a lot of attack in your hand and saying I'm powerful. We got the fusion. It was something more carefree, more fun, I would say. Now it's more painful for each player. It's new player. Because you have a lot of counters, a lot of, pain to give to someone. Last pack magic. We got Gaia Blaze and a Hound of Tistana. Okay, that was all. Let's see all the pulls that we got. We got 3 secret rares, which is something. We got the best pull that I liked. It's Crimson Dragon. We got Hound of the Tistana, Mighty Dino King Rex, Perpetrator, Demigod, Chimera Fusion, Red Eyes Black Meteor Dragon, Tokusano Shinkyojin, You're Finished, Demigod again, Thestalos. We got Rishaderto, Realized, Noblar's Museum, Emperor Charles, Thematech, Kursaktik, You're Finished again, Tistana again, Alpha, Gazelle, Performet, Banishing Trap Hole, and another Thestalos. That's all we got. We didn't get another quarter century rare, but it's okay. We do this for fun. We enjoy opening packs and we enjoy playing Yugi as we did when we were kids. We hope you had fun with this, and I hope I'll see you next time. See ya.